at may kinain din silang lupa sa India. Biro mo, India at China magkasama sa BRICS, yung BRICS organization. That's an economic and security organization of China, Brazil, India, and the Russia, and South Africa. Kung sinakop pa rin nga nila yung isang alay nila na kaibigan nila, lalo na tayo, yung mga bansa dito sa Southeast Asia. Sinakop na rin nila yung napakaraming isla ng Vietnam, ng Malaysia, Indonesia, and the Philippines. No? So, talagang nakakagulat po yan. But then again, I think it will solidify support for the arbitral ruling wherein the 9-dash line was quashed. No? Hindi recognize ng the tribunal or the